Hello friends, you're welcome to this very powerful space of learning. Today, I will guide you through the process of creating a monogram logo with the letter SD in a polygon shape using Adobe Illustrator. Now, since this is our first lesson on logo design using Adobe Illustrator, we'll start by getting to know the software interface and familiarize ourselves with its tools. Now, I would like to take you through this step-by-step tutorial to ensure easy learning. So if you're a beginner, this video is perfect for you. And if you are looking for ideas on logo design, you are still in the right place. Please also do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so already. As you will support us, it will go a long way. So without much further ado, let's head over to File and then create a new document. Now I'd like to leave my width 2000 and then the height 2000 as well, and hit on create. Okay. So guys, right before us is an empty canvas, and before we do any other thing, I would like you to head over to your window and then head over to workspace and then check this very particular option called Essential Classic. Okay, doing so it will help and then help you to have all these particular tools that are here. So without much wasting of time, I would like to head over to my line tool. All right, and let me make sure that this very particular one is none. I don't want any field, and then I'll leave my stroke to be black, the color of my stroke to be black, and then the weight to be 1. So without much wasting of the time, let me draw a single line. Yeah, I think this one is very perfectly placed. Now let me head over to my selection tool and copy the whole of those stuffs and then come to this very particular properties and then make it 270. Yes, so that this very particular line will be straight. Yeah, so the next thing I would like to do is I would like to duplicate this very particular line, okay, by heading to my keyboard and then hitting on Alt and drag somewhere here. Yes, so the next thing I would like to do is I will repeat this process 12 times by hitting on Ctrl D on my keyboard. So right before here, if you should be able to count, you find out that I have 14 lines. Okay, now let me highlight everything that is here. Let me head over to align and then give it a vertical alignment so that every other thing will be aligned in a perfect place. So the next thing I would like to do right from here is I will group this very particular selection. Since we are using polygon actually to achieve a monogram logo of S&D, what will happen is let me head over to my rectangular tool and then locate where polygon tool is. Okay, now I would like to draw a polygon shape by hitting on shift on my keyboard, something like this. So let me rotate this very particular one somewhere here. I think it's okay. So while we're doing this is just for us to take alignment to the polygon shape we want to achieve. So now instead of rotating something like this, okay, to have it follow after this very particular thing, I would like to Ctrl Z and then highlight everything that is here and then use my rotation properties. Okay, now I would like to rotate this one toward angle 30. Yes, so doing so you find out that this very particular line is now well aligned. Okay, it's now well aligned with the polygon. So that's all about that. And right from here, I don't really want this one. Let me take it off. So what I'll be doing right from here is guys, I would like to highlight everything that is here. Yes, and head over to edit and then click on copy. So you can also do that by hitting on Ctrl C on your keyboard. And let's go back to edit again, and we want to paste it in place. Yes, so right from here I will right click and then head over to transformation and then head over to reflect this very particular selection. So I'll hit on OK. So what I'll be doing is I'll highlight this very particular one and head over to edit and then hit on copy, head over to edit again and then paste in place. So what I would like to do from here is I will change my angle of rotation to give it 90. Yes, so right from here I would like to copy this very particular one also as well. I head over to edit, hit on copy, head over to edit, and then what, paste in place. So let me also change this angle of rotation to something 0. Yes, so with these guys we're able to what, have lines, multiple lines, okay, and we're able to form what, this very particular shape, which is of polygon shape. So let me carry my brush tool and then draw something like this, just to indicate, to show to you that yes, we are able to what, achieve drawing of what, a polygon. Yeah, something like this. So what I would like to do is I would like to highlight everything that is here, and then right click, then what, head over to what, group, and then group everything that is here. Now for the sake of learning, just as I said, I will be taking us a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve the whole stuff, okay? And having grouping everything that is here, now let's head over to this very particular transformation and then make sure that yeah, we align it vertically, let it well be positioned. So that's all about this for now, and let me zoom it back a little bit for our view, and let me drag it and place it somewhere here. So let's head over to this very particular tool and then locate polygon as well, but let's increase the size of the stroke, okay, and then let's change the color to something cyan color. So right from here I would like to draw a polygon shape. So let me hit on what, shift on my keyboard, and then drag something like this. Yes, and let me rotate it as well. So yes guys, you can see that we're able to outline this very particular word, polygon shape, okay? So this is what we'll be doing. All that we'll be doing will fall inside of what, this very particular size of the polygon with demarcate. Let me quickly resize this very particular one to fit the perfect position. So friends, right from here, what I would like to do right from here is I will select this very particular polygon shape and head over to object, and then head over to lock, and then lock this very particular selection. So what next we would like to do is I will highlight everything that is here, and then head over toward a tool called shape builder, okay, and then select it. So what this tool literally does is that it connects two lines together, okay, and then it forms what, a shape, okay. And quickly right from here, before we do any other thing, I'd like to change the fill color to black as well. Then let's head over and zoom a little bit to see what we are doing very clear. So right from here guys, we have what, the middle line, which is our spacing line, okay. So what will happen is I would like to divide in between my text. So the other part of the letter will be here, and then the other letter will be placed here. So let's head over and start drawing our letters. So I'll be drawing S, and I'll be drawing D as well. So let me start dragging from here. So let's continue creating our shape. So if you make mistake, just hit on Ctrl Z to come back, okay. So let's also draw the other letter D. So guys, with this we're able to make the shape A's and D right from what the grid lines we've placed. So now let's head over to our selection tool, right, and then select everything, and then right click and ungroup everything. All right, so now let's select this very particular letter S. Okay, let's hit on what, right click and ungroup this one as well. So let's also do the same to this guy. Yes, ungroup everything. Yeah, this one is already ungrouped. Okay, so right from here, what we'll be doing is I would like us to select our shape, right, by hitting on shift on our keyboard and select both S and D. So now let's drag and place it somewhere here. All right, let's highlight everything that is here and delete it. So we head over to object and what, unlock everything as well, and then highlight this very particular one and then delete it as well. So now let's highlight this one and bring it somewhere here. So guys, in such a case that you're able to finish something like this but realize some little error, okay, let me show you how to go ahead and correct all of those error. Look at it, something like this. Okay, now let's click this very particular thing and let's head over to our pen tool. Now let's locate this very particular one with the sign of negation that says delete anchor point. Now let's zoom it a little bit again. So guys, let's click on here, let's click on here, let's also click on this anchor point. Okay, and then make our work clean. So guys, I think that's all for us. So let's also do the same to this very particular letter D. All right, so that's all for now. We're able to have what, a perfect shape of S and D as a logo in polygon shape, right? So let me highlight everything that is here and let's increase this very particular stroke. Yes, I would like to increase it again so that it will look a little bit bold and nice. I think 13 is okay. So let me highlight everything that is here and then let me head over to this very particular tool called object, and then head over to expand and expand it a little bit. Yes, yeah. So now let's head over to a pathfinder and unite everything that is there. Yes, and boom guys, we're able to have a perfect logo of the letter S and D. So thank you very much guys, and let's see you in the other coming tutorials. Bye.